I might be a bitch, but I'm not getting out like that.
Malcolm. Malcolm. Boy! Do you know the story of Machete Chetty?
You mean Uncle Imran?
He was everybody's uncle here in the flats. Did you know he was actually my uncle? My blood. You know how he got his name?
From wrestling.
Wrestling. Yeah, that's how he got famous. But he was a fighter. Oh, man. The crowds used to cheer his name, Machete. Machete. The crowds used to chant his name. I'm talking about aunties, uncles on their feet, man. Machete. Machete. He was a formidable man. Did you ever see him fight?
Only one time my father took us.
Wasn't he strong? Fast? Smart? Bruce Lee had nothing on him, man. And no one wanted to face him. They didn't have the balls. But did they have a choice? Clean them up one by one. And he would always go back to his life, back to being Uncle Imran in the video shop. But he always showed up for the next fight.
But he's dead. They killed him too.
We don't know that. We don't know where he is. They never found his body. What we know is that he left a trail of these fucking monsters behind him. He didn't give up, not for a second, Malcolm. And he wouldn't want us to. We have to fight. Can you do that, Malcolm? Machete would want us to fight. Can you do that? Get some water. You look like shit. And blow your nose. What did I tell you about drinking from the tap?